Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our first-month success plan for the multi-building maintenance project. In this presentation, we'll explore how to manage 50 buildings efficiently by focusing on coordination, visibility, and safety. We'll also look at the key areas of people, process, and performance that will help us succeed. Let's get started. Welcome to Week 1, where we focus on mobilization and assessment. This is a critical phase where we establish control and gather the necessary resources to move forward efficiently. We start by inspecting about 50 buildings to get a clear understanding of their current conditions. During these inspections, we record detailed observations to help us prioritize and plan the next steps. Next, we assign specific zones within the affected area, which helps us organize our efforts and ensure safety and efficiency. Setting up a well-organized warehouse is also essential at this stage, as it becomes the hub for all our supplies and equipment. And of course, safety signage is a must to keep everyone informed and protected during the entire process. All these steps are interconnected. They form the foundation for our entire response effort. By thoroughly assessing and organizing early on, we set ourselves up for a more effective and streamlined recovery. All right, so in Week 2, we're really shifting our focus toward both preventive and reactive maintenance. This is a crucial stage because it's where we start actively managing the health of our systems. The key here is to begin consistent maintenance routines and data tracking from the get-go. By using preventive checklists, we ensure that all necessary inspections and upkeep are systematically covered, reducing the risk of unexpected failures. Daily logs are equally important. They help us monitor the performance and any issues that arise on a day-to-day basis for each trade. This ongoing documentation not only keeps us organized, but also provides valuable data to inform future decisions. Overall, this step is about building a proactive approach, catching potential problems early and responding quickly when reactive measures are needed, all of which ties into our larger goal of maintaining efficiency and reliability across the board. Let's now turn our attention to warehouse and procurement control. This is all about building an organized flow of materials within our operations. When we talk about organizing material flow, we mean creating a system that keeps everything moving smoothly and efficiently. One key step is tagging materials. This helps us identify and locate items quickly, reducing time wasted searching for what we need. Maintaining issue logs is also crucial. It allows us to keep a detailed record of what materials have been issued and when. This not only improves accountability, but also helps us track inventory levels more accurately. Speaking of tracking, keeping an eye on reorders is essential to avoid stockouts or overstocking. By monitoring reorder points, we can ensure timely replenishment, keeping operations seamless. Overall, these practices form the backbone of a well-managed warehouse and procurement system. They help us stay organized, improve efficiency, and ultimately support the broader goal of streamlining our entire supply chain process. Let's talk about coordination and team management. The key here is to align all trades under one consistent rhythm. This means making sure everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals efficiently. To achieve this, we hold daily briefings, which are essential for quick updates and immediate issue resolution. In addition, we conduct weekly coordination meetings to review manpower allocation and prioritize tasks. This structured approach helps us monitor progress closely, identify potential bottlenecks early, and keep the project moving smoothly. Overall, effective coordination ensures that all teams work harmoniously, which is crucial for staying on schedule and maintaining quality throughout the project. Let's talk about safety and risk management. Our ultimate goal is to aim for zero accidents on site. How do we do that? Well, it starts with strict enforcement of personal protective equipment, or PPE, to make sure everyone is adequately protected at all times. We also hold regular toolbox talks, which are essential for keeping safety top of mind and encouraging open communication about potential hazards. Additionally, we continuously update our risk register, ensuring we identify new risks promptly and implement appropriate measures. These steps are all interconnected and crucial for creating a safer work environment, which ties back to our overall commitment to safety excellence and responsible project management. Let's now look at reporting and performance. Here, our focus is on showing measurable progress. We do this through weekly charts that track our key metrics. These charts help us visualize how we're advancing over time. Additionally, response times are a crucial indicator. Faster responses often mean better customer satisfaction and more efficient processes. We keep a close eye on these to identify areas for improvement. Budget control metrics are equally important. They ensure we're staying within our financial plans, which supports the overall health and sustainability of our initiatives. By regularly monitoring these areas, we not only demonstrate our progress, but also gain insights that drive continuous improvement. This aligns perfectly with our overall goal of transparency and accountability in our performance. Let's wrap up with our month-end review and improvement process. Here, the goal is to demonstrate both control and growth in our operations. By consistently submitting a thorough monthly report, we can track our progress and identify areas for development. Recognizing our top performers publicly not only motivates the team, but also reinforces a culture of excellence. This final step ties everything together, ensuring we're not just monitoring results, but actively fostering improvement and celebrating success along the way.